Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you want to treat your fur babies to a super fun cat tree, then you are going to love this one.
Keeping your indoor cats entertained and happy is so important, and there's nothing like a really fun cat tree to keep them entertained for hours. This one was fairly easy to put together. It comes with everything you need, including a handy little tool, and I was able to put it together while watching a show with my friends, so it was very easy. I really love how much my cats love this tree. My cats are older and they still really enjoy climbing on things and scratching, and this is the perfect little tree for them. My cats love hiding in boxes like this, so having this cute little window to see them through is adorable. I really appreciate all of the design that went into this and the different scratching areas, that it is full of these great rope wrapped poles so they can scratch to their heart's content on this and not your furniture. And these perch covers are removable, which makes washing super easy. And there's not a lot of fabric on this, so you don't have a giant fur mess.
If you want to get a cat tree that fits your nice modern aesthetic, but your cats will still love, this one is so perfect. They love it, so I love it, and that's my point of view.